she's gone. Not even leak. Okay, so there's this hill. Where are we heading? We're heading to Yungala. There's waterfalls and stuff, but we literally have to drive up that hill, that big mountain, and go over it.
It's alright going up.
Yeah, going down might be a bit of a struggle. Even going up, maybe.
Oh, we're going up.
It looks very steep. There's heaps of warnings. Very steep climb. Look at, we literally have to go like diagonal across.
In about 10 kilometers, turn left.
It's all the warning signs. I think we'll be alright.
What does it say?
Caution.
Milk tankers.
Look at all the caution signs. Oh my lord. Oh well, wish us luck. All the way up there. It's pretty steep. Chugging along. Cars chugging along.
Waterfall?
It's so nice up here. It's like Dorrigo. Made it to the top,
Stay to the top.
and it's like, what is it, 600 meters just straight up.
Yeah, pretty much.
This is the lookout. Whoa,
Pretty cool.
we're very, very high up. It does. It goes around. So we're at Fern Flat now. There is tent ones. And just a little bit steep, I think, and tight for our trailer. And we just went to the other one and it was packed. It would have been perfect for our trailer though. I mean, we could. That's a bit tight. Unless you keep going up.
We haven't been near the water, but
Yeah, true. There is another camp, but we don't have service to search it up. There's no camps, we don't think, up here. There's a dam you can go out to, but it's a fair way out and apparently you can't get caravans there. This is mental.
yeah, this is bloody high.
Holy shit. Doesn't look real.
No, it's pretty weird.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. How are we now? We're going to the platypus viewing platform. Apparently they're like more out in the mornings and nights, but
So yeah,
we shall see.
it's on the Broken River.
Yeah. Also, we're not camping up here because there's like no camp spots up here for us.
It's all full.
Yeah, the only one that we could camp at with our trailer is, yeah, taken up. Anyways, hopefully we can see some platypuses. Platypussies! What does that say? The world beside you?
Yep.
Also, we went to the pub. What's it called? I don't know.
I can't remember.
We went to the pub up here and it's like the best view ever, but
Right over the range.
yeah, so expensive. So we made chicken sandwiches and then we're gonna look at this. And then Jai also had to empty out all the water.
Yeah, I just drained a bit out with all the trailer.
A bit heavy to go down the hill because it's hell steep.
Yeah.
It's like the steepest hill we've been on ever.
Yeah.
So that's gonna be fun. And then we're gonna go down the bottom and probably stay at the pub because it's $10 a night to stay at the pub and you can get it back by ordering food.
Have a pizza.
Yeah, pizza for dinner. Look how nice it is. Wow. There's a nice boardwalk. It's only 200 metres from the car. to the platypus viewing, and we've got to be very quiet and still. So I'm going to stop talking now, and hopefully we can find some platypuses. Look, they should be there. Stop stomping. Joe stomps his feet all the time. We saw one!
Yeah, or maybe a couple.
Yeah.
Pretty close to
I
it.
think it was just one who's feeding. They have little pockets in their mouth,
In their cheeks.
in their cheeks, and then they eat at the surface, which we found out.
And they hold it in there for ages or something.
Yeah, and then they come up to the surface to eat it. So we saw that. He popped up probably like 7 or 8 times maybe.
Yeah.
I got a couple videos on my phone, which I'll put in. It was so cool.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
There was probably like, I don't know, 10-ish people down there, and everyone was just whispering. It was so nice.
Yeah, it was good.
No one was being like yelling and stuff, which was good. But now we are going back down the hill.
Yep.
To the pub, and then maybe if
It's not too far away.
the gorge isn't too far away, we have to go back this way.
Now we blocked off.
If the gorge isn't too far away, then we'll go there this south. But
See what happens.
yeah, we can go there tomorrow.
Yeah.
'Cause it's getting like pretty late, I think. When is it? Like 3 o'clock anyway.
Yeah.
2:15.
See how we go.
Yeah. It shouldn't take us too long to get down the hill. It's pretty bloody steep
Half
though.
an hour. Pretty steep.
So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Okie dokie. Okay, so you got 4 low on.
Yeah, I was
Call
put it
that?
in range. I probably don't need to, but
It's such a cool view. Guys, gonna show you. If you can.
it's pretty good.
That's the maddest view ever. We're just going very slow down the hill. No one's behind us, so we're sweet. Really down the bottom, sort of. Jesus. Wasn't bad at all. We probably didn't need to tip the water out.
Yeah, just making sure.
Yeah. Now we know that we can go down a steep hill. 'Cause apparently there's one up near Cairns, isn't it? So, the view though is mental. This camera's shit for like showing it though, but it's pretty cool. What'd you find?
Hosed, reel, and everything. At the bottom of the mountain.
Perfect. At the pump track. Well, the pump track's there. I don't actually know what this place is, but
I think it's just a park sort of thing.
we got free water. Does it taste good?
I don't know, I haven't tasted it right, but
We've got drinking water anyways.
it'll be fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the pub we're staying at tonight. Well, we're staying around the back, but we'll go around there in a minute. So we're just having a nice cold beveragino.
Bloody good.
What have you got?
A ginger beer.
Do you love it?
Yeah, so good. Right.
I got a Great Northern Original.
4X.
But what?
They always have great one.
No, not at the little pubs. They only have like 4X or Great Northern Super Crisp, not Great Northern Original. Cheers!
Cheers.
He's already drank half of his.
Yeah.
Much better than
It's pretty good.
4X. Taste it.
Yeah.
It's great. Anyways, we'll show you around the back in a minute. Okie dokie. So we just come around the side of the pub. What's this pub called again? It's like Pinnacle. It's a Pinnacle, I think. So we just come back around here, and there's heaps of grass. How cool!
Right next to the train track.
Oh,
Nice.
cane track.
Yeah, probably the little ones.
Ah, that's good then. Nice. There's a little fire, full of cardboard. Where are we gonna go?
Probably, I want to go probably like this way somewhere.
Blimey.
It's just the wind's not blowing into the tent.
True. I was was gonna say solar, but we don't really need solar, do we?
No.
Yeah, because the other night was messed up how windy it was. I could not sleep. So we just parked up here. Nice grassy spot.
Grass and flowers.
And the pub's just there.
Somebody might need to put the thing over the tyre.
The what?
Yeah.
Oh, the green thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. We can take it off tomorrow.
Oh no, we still got to.
God damn it.
Finchhaven Gorge.
And it's really humid today, so I think we're gonna swim.
Total cast.
Yeah. Crap weather. Oh, it's pretty started. Apparently it's supposed to be really nice here though. That's so nice.
Yeah, nice.
Look how cool this place is. It's a 3-kilometre walk to the waterfall gorge. What is
Return.
Oh, return.
So
Oh.
a K and a half.
That's not bad at all then. Old mate said it was 3 k's there. Jai's huffing and puffing a bit back there. Is it actually 1.5 k's?
Yeah.
It's pretty nice. This is the coolest spot. We don't know if we should go for a swim though.
Freezing.
I think I want to. Go sit on that rock. It's so cool. Yeah. Belly flop. Cold. Shit. Okay. Guys, jump in.
Yeah.
Or belly flop. Okay. 1. 1, 2, 3. Gloria. I'm scared. Okay.
Now you lost. Maybe you lose balance.
We're in. And it's bloody freezing. Oh, that looks sick. Come on.
Bloody cold.
It's so cold. But I'm gonna dunk. Okay, ready? You ready? This angle.
Yeah.
Hold my hand tight. Slip! Oh shit, she's gone! Oh.
Video. Yeah. You're gonna hit the bottom?
That's how it's done. Woo! Waterfall! There is another place. What's it called? I forget. Firewall or something. It's another 1.5 kilometers the other way. Are we gonna do it today?
Maybe.
We don't know if we'll do it today or tomorrow, but we shall see. But look how nice. Good swim?
Good swim.
Jai's in the naughty corner.
Yeah. Alright. Smell. In there.
What's it called? The fire wall? Wall of fire?
Wheel of fire.
Wheel of fire. Now, probably gonna have another swim there. Why not? This place is amazing. Would highly recommend. This is mental. Wow. We could sit in one of these pools. So we've just walked up this way. Look how cool it is. The other waterfall place is closed. Look, that sucks a bit, but look how cool this is though. We may or may not be going in the closed area. Please don't be cranky at us. Hopefully don't get a fine. This is so cool. Digging bush? Apparently there's a plant. It's like stinging nettle, but it's like a stinging tree. Bush?
Yeah, stinging nettle.
Yeah. Oh. This is so cool, guys. Wow. Wow, this is so cool. Look at that. As if we weren't allowed to come this way. Woohoo! No one's working here, are they?
No.
I wonder what's happened.
That's the fall away.
Oh yeah. Bit of a rock slide there. Huh?
That hasn't been for long.
We made it. It's right there, but this has covered the whole footpath here. Damn it. Oh, it's so pretty here though. It's not that bad really. That is so cool. We'll have to go for a quick dip at the other one on the way out now. That was straight uphill stairs. Like that whole time. Hopefully I got no leeches. That'd be bad. Oh look! That's like fresh concrete, Jai. I mean, you can't really see. Good? Good?
Yeah.
Oh, Did you use your head?
Yeah.
That's really good. Like a mermaid. Yeah. What's happened?
Batteries are flat.
Oh no. Lucky we got the other day from King's starter jump pack, whatever they're called.
Speak too soon, it might not work.
Yeah, I know. We'll try it. If it works, then sponsor us, Kings.
So close. I'll leave it for a little bit.
Alright. What? Do you just leave it connected?
Yeah.
I have no idea how this stuff works.
We'll see.
They're supposed to be pretty good though, aren't they?
Yeah. Let's see how it goes. Just leave it on there and just see if it pumps a little bit into it or something.
Alright. Oh, so close. So close. A little swear on YouTube. That took a hot minute, but it's on.
I just hooked them batteries together, even though they are hooked together, but maybe I'll do this right.
Yeah. Oh well, it worked. Okie dokie, we're back, and then we're gonna go pay for another night and use that hopefully to get some garlic bread for lunch.
Yeah. Some chips with garlic bread.
Because you get a $10 voucher. It's pretty windy here.
Got a couple of beers.
Yeah. Some bears. Bears on bears on bears. Cheers. Okay, bye. Alrighty, that was the Pinnacle pub.
Yep.
And the, what's it called? The gorge.
Yeah. What's it called, buddy?
Ingala
National Park.
Ingala National Park. Oh, there's a dam that way. 14 k's.
Damn.
Anyways, we didn't see everything we should have seen here, but we've seen a lot, and it was very fun.
That was good.
And the waterfall was the coolest thing ever, and we definitely recommend going there. And the pub down the bottom of the hill, the top of the hill, it was pretty cool.
It's a pretty good spot.
The lookout and stuff was sick, but a little bit expensive, and you can't camp there. But the one down the bottom of the hill is so cool.
Yeah, good spot.
So definitely go camp there and have dinner there. The dinner was mad there.
Get a crumb steak.
Yeah, Jai had a crumb steak and it was half a kilo. But you can get a full kilo crumb steak there, and the half one Jai nearly died eating.
Yeah, big.
But anyways, so that's that for that video, and I think we're heading to the coast now and
Yep.
meeting up with Jai's parents for a little bit and staying at his brother's, so we'll see what we get up to there. Okay, bye!
What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the sign.